So how old is a baby? How old is a child? And what classes as an adult? Well, quite simply, paediatric first aid is anyone under the age of 18, and adult first aid is anyone over 18. Now, the resource guidelines have split paediatric first aid into 3 different categories. We've got an infant, otherwise known as a baby, a child and an adolescent. An infant is aged from birth to 1 year old. A child is from 1 to 12 and an adolescent is 13 to 17. Now, the treatment for first aid injuries is nearly the same for all of them. So it doesn't matter how old somebody is. For example, if a baby or a child or an adult starts to bleed, our job as a first aider is to stop the bleeding. And we do that exactly the same way. We clean the wound and then we dress it and put pressure on there. If somebody has a seizure, we treat them exactly the same way, no matter how old they actually are. But there are a few differences when it comes to CPR and also choking. We will cover both of those later in the videos coming up. But very simply, the main differences in CPR is going to be in paediatric first aid, we give 5 rescue breaths to anyone who isn't breathing. So anyone under 18 and we notice they're not breathing, we always give 5 rescue breaths first. And that's normally due to the fact that the reason they're unconscious not breathing is a lack of oxygen. So it's a respiratory issue rather than a heart issue. Whereas an adult is most likely going to be a heart issue, which is why we call the ambulance first of all and then we begin CPR. There's also a difference with how we do chest compressions in CPR, and that's mainly based on the size of the casualty. Now, we will be talking about how to do CPR to infants, children, adolescents and adults later on, but I really want you to judge the size of somebody because children and adolescents and babies and even adults, we all come in different sizes, and I want you to think about how effective you can be in giving chest compressions to that person based on your ability, your strength. Textbooks will tell you to do CPR chest compressions on an infant using 2 thumbs. On a child, use 1 hand. A larger child, such as an adolescent, use 2 hands if needed, and also an adult, you use 2 hands. But as I said before, that depends on your ability and your strength. In infant and child CPR, we're pushing down 1/3 of their body depth when we're doing a chest compression, whereas on an adolescent and an adult, we're pushing down 5 to 6 centimetres in depth. There is also a difference when we place our defibrillator pads, which we'll talk about a little bit later on, but again that is due to the size of them, and we have to make sure they're placed so the shot goes through the heart rather than missing it completely. There is also a slight adaptation to choking, and again that's based on the size of the casualty. So in an infant, we don't do an abdominal thrust just because everything's so tiny there, we do a chest thrust instead. But we'll talk about that in videos later on.